Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve this expression and find the value of x. This type of questions generally asked in different types of competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Bank PO, SSC. So let's start. Root 24 into root 75 plus root 50 upon root 75 minus root 50 equal to 1. Then find the value of x. So we can write this expression as x minus 24. We can write 4 into 6 into 75 as 25 into 3 plus root 50 25 root 25 into 2 upon root 75 as 25 into 3 minus under the root 25 into 2 equal to 1. This implies x minus root 4 means 2. So x minus 2 root 6 into root 25 means 5. 5 root 3 plus 5 root 2 upon 5 root 3 minus 5 root 2 equal to 1. This implies x minus 2 root 6, 5 common in from the next bracket. So 5 into root 3 plus root 2 upon 5 root 3 minus root 2 equal to 1. 5 cancel out, then we have x minus 2 root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2 equal to 1. This implies x minus 2 root 6 equal to root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. Now rationalize the denominator. So we have x minus root 6 equal to root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. Rationalize the denominator. So x minus 2 root 6 equal to root 3 minus root 2 whole square upon root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. And this implies x minus 2 root 6 equal to 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 3 minus 2. This implies x minus 2 root 6 equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 1. And this gives x equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6. Minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6 cancel out, then we have x equal to 5. So our answer is x equal to 5. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you for your support. See you next time.